So Excel actually has an amazing built-in way that allows you to pull in stock price data with ease that is live. So what we have to do is go to cell. It could be any cell. Type in the ticker symbol of the stock they're looking to get data for, such as Apple. And then, however, the cell that has the ticker in it, go to the data tab, then go to right here where it says stocks. Click on it. It takes a second to load. Then all you have to do is select the stock that the ticker represents, which is Apple. And now there is a live data feed of information pertaining to Apple in our Excel sheet. So just click on this box right here, and you can pull in data like the 52-week low, right? And you can pull in the 52-week high. And you can pull in, for example, the last trade time or the percent change or even price information that is updated on a consistent basis. And this is great not only because the data is live, not only because it allows you to get a more comprehensive look at the company in like a quick and easy manner, but also because it's just super easy to use, and it allows you to do research on a stock. On a stock and get basic numbers about it, such as its beta or its industry or its PE ratio, for example, with right in Excel without having to go to like other websites. So I really hope that this was helpful. If at all, please like, subscribe, comment. Thank you. Have a great day.